What's up, Christian? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm with my sister. She just woke up. But yeah. So my sister, you're gonna activate it. So first thing we're gonna do is my sister's gonna activate. It used to be really good. So this slime used to be a really good birthday cake slime, but look at that. Show them how liquidy it is. Here, I'll get the camera person, okay? Look how liquidy it is.
So we're gonna fix it.
And there's a little hair in there.
Ew, from you?
That's not from me. Maybe, I don't know. So it's like super liquidy. Watch, ready? Yeah, so we're just gonna put some activator in here. She just put some in there.
Okay, that needs a lot.
Okay, while you activate that, I'm gonna go over here and go in my. So these are everything we have. We have charms, scents, glitters, paint, pigments, more slimes over there. More slimes over there. And yeah, we have a bunch of paints, acrylic paints in here. And then we have some Play-Doh slimes. And here's a bunch of mixed glitter, like heart glitter, star glitter. We have like a bunch of these old clays, but they're like super hard now. Most of them. And then we have this gallon of Elmer's glue. We have
Why you just give me water?
these. It's not strong enough?
I don't think so.
Okay, you can go get some borax.
Me?
Okay, so in here, I'm going to show you this. I'll go make some more after I'm done. So, actually,
My hands are so sticky.
in here, there's Sento's Cloud Sand. And it's like cloud sand. The texture feels really weird. It feels like zombie skin, if you've ever felt that before. Which probably haven't. I don't know why I said that.
Hurry, it's unactivating.
Okay, I will hurry. So it's like really weird, but yeah. Okay, so, and it smells like super good, like cherries. Okay, so let's go check on my sister. Oh my gosh.
See, told
Maybe,
you.
hold on, should we put some shaving cream?
No, that's gonna make it worse.
Just stay here, interact with them, okay? So, put it everywhere, guys. Sure. Oh, that does nothing to this slime. Just makes it like more sticky. So my sister is gonna go. She's washing it off. Okay, yeah, that does absolutely nothing to the slime.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go get some more borax to put in this water. And my sister will be right back. Hold on. Well, I'll give the camera to her. And I take the camera.
I don't want to show my face. No, don't show.
Oh, okay. But just interact with them, okay? Want me to zoom into the slime so that... whatever. Okay, so... just make them entertained because I don't want to... Oh, that's kind of good now. It's getting there. Oh, never mind. Okay, I'm going to go wash my hands or wipe it on an old shirt.
Okay, I guess while I'm waiting, I'm gonna set this to the side because this is just disgusting. I'm gonna fix any other slimes. Oh, Janet's all over the damages. What's called? So, okay. I don't know what slime to fix. But needs to be fixed. For now, check out. Okay, I swear if this is sticky, I just.
Damian must have stayed up late because he's like still asleep. Let's just keep this up here in our slime station. I know this is like, some people say it's bad. This can cause cancer. But this is the only thing we have. I mean, we have cornstarch. Alright, give me this slime. Here, I'll activate this slime. You go activate this slime, okay? This one's way less stickier. Watch out, it's gonna drip, I know it.
Okay. So I'm activating it. Okay. Okay, it's getting better because I added a lot. Okay.
Okay, yeah, this is way better now.
This is a slime we have. Okay. I'm gonna get it off the cap or the lid. You could call it. We haven't played with slime in a long time.
And I was watching slime videos and I was just like, bro, we need. Okay, watch out. I need to go on this side.
Slime is so old though.
There's like barely any space. Okay, it's kind of melting now. Like, I might need a little help.
I'm good. You're all on your own.
Ayana! Comment down below if my sister is mean.
What?
That was close. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna throw all this slime in the trash right now. Because I'm gonna have to. If you don't. Oh, give me some more activator at least.
It smells like medicine. Good. You need to put a lot.
Get over the bowl.
Okay. So this is my slime. I activate it way better than Gina.
Well, obviously. And Mom calls us down. For breakfast.
Well, she's not even. She's not even out. Inside.
Sure.
Okay. So.
I got some on my shirt. Get off, look, there's some. Okay, I'm just gonna not touch the slime ever again. Give me a little more.
I'm good.
Oh my
There's some
gosh,
in
here we go.
there. There's a lot.
I know, but then I'm just getting more slime on me. I'm trying to get it off.
You're gonna have to pick it up and put it in. In there.
Okay, so we have carpet off of this platform, so I mean we have a pretty big hard space. Oh my gosh, it keeps melting and melting and melting and melting. Just gonna let that drip off. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could see the mess that's below my hand right now. Now this part is overactivated, so I'm going to use, and it's melting. Oh my gosh.
There's my slime.
I got most of the parts off my hands. Gotta be quick with it. Okay,
Bro,
good.
that's not even sticky. Here, give me it. Move.
Yes, it is. Eye on it. I swear, it melts in your hand. But she's gonna have the same situation as me. Okay, why am I look how
Yeah, because it's fluffy. You have to add more activator.
Oh.
Here. I'll try
Add a
to
little more?
let them see.
Just a tiny bit?
I want them to see.
Well, it would if you would have handed me the activator.
Here, we'll lean it on.
Oh gosh, where'd it go? Is it in my hair?
No, it's all over you though.
I know.
I'm gonna move you guys. Let me move this down to activator. Okay, this is what we're going through.
I got some on my pants.
Gina, I'm always gonna kill you.
She's just getting more on me.
You know, she's gonna tell you again that this is why she doesn't want you to have slime. Because you're not supposed to wear your new clothes while you're making slime. Remember?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go
She's gonna kill you. Just so you know. Okay. And some more activator. Oh, I got it everywhere.
Is she taking a shower? Because Damon's still asleep.
I don't know, probably.
I'm gonna take my sweater off and put in old clothes. Because you're right. Today we're working the sticky stuff, so washes is.
I mean, mine's fine because these aren't really new. Well, and I keep my arms not even closely. Look, I can do this. I do this when I'm making it. So it's not even close.
I'm gonna be changing over here, so.
Change like by the window over there. But there's curtains so nobody can see you. And we don't even have neighbors, so.
I know.
Because we live by a forest. Okay.
Are these, should I count these as old shorts?
I don't know. What do you think's old that you had for a long time?
These? I had them since the house.
Dang, yeah, that's old. That's like 3-5 years.
What the heck?
That's ever since.
We're gonna have this new house for like 8 Now there's bike riders passing by
There's no bike riders.
over there. Someone just passed.
They can't even see. Go by that door. Gina, it's fine. They can't see through our window. Oh, okay. So this is the slime I'm working with. It'd be embarrassing and weird. Okay, it's good. It's fine. This one's good. This is fluffy. It's gonna get sticky. And this is my slime, and I made it. So fine then.
You want shaving cream? I'll get you some. Shaving cream is over there.
And I'll get you some scented over there.
Oh my gosh, I almost.
So this is put it back.
Here, I'm gonna start it.
Dumb idiot. Okay, so we're gonna use this Sunshine and Lemons soap from
Bath and Body Works.
Bath and Body Works. The brand is White Bar.
I'm gonna move all this.
I'm gonna spray it. I'm spraying it, hello. Okay, so you're gonna spray it.
Wait, turn your volume all the way up, guys, please. Trust me.
Let me fix it. Oh, Gina, it's not even facing it.
Sorry, you're horrible.
Just saying.
Guys, my sister's so mean.
Okay. Nobody even watches your YouTubes except mine. JJ followed me. Ha.
No one cares. It's not about the subscribers. It's about the YouTube videos.
I said that my friends follow me. So I
Sorry,
think
I'm trying to get the slime off.
I think Ariana follows me. JJ follows me because he knows my YouTube. Everybody was asking in class. And
Isn't that so embarrassing?
I know. And all the boys were like, Ayana has a YouTube video. I mean, YouTube channel, like, to everybody. So I was like, oh my gosh, guys, shut up. And I had to put on a sticky note. I had to pass it during class.
Exactly what happened to me, but it was at the end of school. And my friends are like, my friend Brooke said,
if you didn't talk about nothing,
Ayana.
then
Ayana,
What?
do your slime thing.
Man, I made it into a heart.
Ayana,
What?
Brooke was like, tell me your slime, your YouTube channel name, or else I am gonna tell the whole school. And she literally went on the top of the playground and she was like, everybody. And then after she said everybody, I finally told her, and then I had to pass it out to everyone.
My gosh, that's so
I had to get sticky notes from Mr. Hagar.
Oof. Did he let you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Remember, Brooke doesn't want her name on the internet.
That was kind of embarrassing. For you, because you're like, okay. And I know you were like, oh.
Someone ate all my gummy bears.
Not me.
What did you put in here? Oh,
Slime.
you have other slimes in here.
Okay, it's good. I like it. I said I like it like that.
Guys, I really like the slime with a bunch of shaving cream.
Well, that will make a difference.
Here, let me show you where we live. Well, not like our address, just like we live in a forest, like a literal forest.
Well, we don't even. I don't think we even have an address.
Oh, no? Yeah, we do. I think so.
So what do you
Pull back the bone.
And he said that nobody knows where we live.
True.
It's like old.
You have to like drive an hour, probably. So yeah. Literally in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna go right here. Here, look, ready? Who is that? Someone's talking. It's kind of creepy. I think it's a mailman. Said I like it like. I actually kind of want that shine though. So yeah, we got some shine in here. Let's go. Let's put you guys right here. So this scented Play-Doh is really cool. We got slime in there. Yeah, I love these scented Play-Doh. Scented Play-Doh. See, they're like really doughy. See, the container's plastic. Oh, and you can get these at Walmart, Target, and Walmart and Target. I got my slime set. cloud slimes, and I literally have a whole backpack of these scented. Watch here, this right. That's my whole backpack is literally filled, absolutely filled with just Play-Dohs, scented Play-Dohs. So these are these rollers that you can play with the Play-Doh, and you can exchange them for like. Here, I'll show you. So you can exchange these. For example, you can just take this roller off and exchange it. Oh, you know what? And you can exchange it for one of these things. But you just click it on right here. Go on. Oh yeah, this. Yeah, there you go. They make super cool designs. My favorite, most people don't really like the scent of bananas, but I love the scent of bananas. It smells like literal bananas. It smells like some very strong scent of bananas. My little cousin likes to mix all the Play-Dohs up, so there's some black in there. Well, yeah, my favorite little thing is probably this, the paw print. So in my next video, oh yeah, and there's also a mystery, which I'm super glad this one didn't get messed up. And I think the mystery is grape. It smells like grape. It smells like. Actually, it kind of changed the scent. Kind of tastes. Smells different. It kind of smells kind of gross at the same time. I don't know. It smells like a little tint of dog food with grape. So yeah. This was my. Oh, there it is. Oh my gosh, it just fell right here. But yeah, that's all of my whole backpack. Oh, and by the way, this isn't my backpack. Paw Patrol. I don't really like Paw Patrol anymore. I used to love Paw Patrol. I was in love with Paw Patrol. But that's from a long time ago. I don't really care about Paw Patrol now. I don't even know why I was in love. Okay, so you know how I wanted to add the shaving cream into this slime? My sister told me not to, but I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna close the door. If she catches me, this is gonna be bad. It's already kind of fluffy. Surprise. Very surprised. Yeah, this slime is way better now. Okay. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of shaving cream. Some of these. These are all full cans. So I don't think we used much shaving cream. The original filling of this slime right here was like the fluffiest slime ever, and it was over fluffied, if that's even over. I thought I heard her. I think she's coming. Hurry. She's coming. way better slime now. This slime used to be bigger, but I think most of the part we washed off with our hands. So yeah, it's like a really nice texture. Hold on, can we do some ASMR up in here? So I'm gonna, oh yeah, and I will do a separate video on my sky gadgets. I have a bunch of them in here, so that'll be fun to do YouTube videos. But I need to hold it up. Maybe I could use, wait, I don't know. A little, I don't know if I can hold it up. How do does that work? Okay. Guys, so turn your volume all the way up. I don't have that like sound thing that most YouTubers use. So yeah. Turn your volume all the way up. Ready? Yeah, they have little hearts in there. Comment if I should make my own slime shop. And I'll help, my mom can help me with my slime shop. But yeah, I can basically just have my own slime shop. But I swear I heard some. I'll be right back. I think it's the mailman. There's no mailman or anything, so I guess we're fine. I kind of want to color this slime, but I like its original name. It's cake batter. I don't think any cake, well, I mean, cake batter is mostly white, and I think my sister wants it to be this way. I'm just gonna let it. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit more shaving. The fluffier it is, the like better consistency it gets. So I don't know if I'm gonna add more shaving cream. Oh my gosh, I flipped the camera on accident. Better. See, comment down below if you liked it the way my sister had it way before, or do you like it the way it is now? I'm gonna add some more of these sunshine lemon. This, I think, makes it more, have like a more, it's called sizzle when like you poke it or something, or stretch it, I don't know. This is it. It smells super good because it smells like coconut. This isn't even coconut. It just smells like coconut. Take a little more. This is the excess parts. I might be able to put it in one of these containers and color this. So I'm gonna see if I have any more of those containers. If I don't, I'll just kick out one slime and throw it in the trash. Because most of our slimes aren't that good. But in here, as you know, okay, this slime, I think this is gonna be the one. This has a lot I like. It's super pretty. There's fishbowl beads, and it's like a clear slime with some pink in there. This is our Valentine's Day slime. Right here. Oh my gosh. Bruh. We might be able to activate. Wait, I want to keep this one. I'm going to activate it though. Don't worry. See this. Most of our slimes are probably melted. Why are all of our slimes melted? Well, they're probably melted. We move is like before Christmas, way before Christmas. And we're gonna throw away most of our slimes. Look, watch, ready? Watch, it's gonna be sticky. Oh my gosh. Look how sticky this one is. Oh my gosh, I almost stripped it, but yeah. That's super sticky. Oh, I just touched the lid. Most of our slime. But I can fix most of these slime. You know what? I'm going to fix this slime. If it doesn't turn out, then I'm going to take it out. But if it does, I'm going to keep it and have to throw away this slime. This is like going to be a super clear slime. Look at these, all this dry slime. Look. Yep. I'm gonna activate it right now. I don't want to use my hands right now. Because like the other one did, the birthday cake, this one, when you're trying to... That was a stick. Oh wait, that was a bird. A bird just flew out our window. I mean, not out. Bruh. Okay, so it just flew like outside. And there was a shadow on our blinds and on our wall. It was like, it looked super scary. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna need like a lot more to make it. Oh my gosh. I just added like, I think a little too much. Okay, so yeah, there's a bunch that activate. Oh my god. Why did it happen again? Put the slime over there because I think it's activated already. But there's like I added like way too much activator. I don't really actually, to be honest with you, I don't want to play with this slime because look how clear that is. Look how clear that is. I'm going to play with it very lightly because I obviously have to mix it. Oh no, it's going to be a sticky slime. It's going to be a sticky. Okay, what? Bruh. Did you guys hear that? Watch, ready? Question mark? I definitely overactivated this slime. I filled the whole container with activator and I put this slime in there, so that makes sense. This is going in the trash, and I honestly didn't mean to do that. Like, it's kind of a good slime. Maybe I can soften it up. Hold on. Oh, I just put it in more activator. I'm gonna have to clean this off with a rag. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm wiping it off. I'm just gonna leave it right here on the floor. It's gonna come in handy. So yeah. Now that it's all cleared off, I'm gonna add some foam soap. Can you guys see what I'm saying? Okay, you guys can see what I'm doing now. So I'm gonna add some of this. Hopefully, I'm gonna soften this slime up. It's gonna obviously be foggy. After it turns like this, just have to mix it more, and it will turn into like hard slime, like a normal base slime. So it needs some time to get used to this. Yeah, this is not gonna mix unless you have lotion in it. But I don't know where my sister puts her lotion. Let me see if we have lotion in here. We should, but what? This is my sister's unicorn. There's like a bunch of glitter. Here's one pack of unicorn magical glitter. But in here, there's this heart glitter. I'm gonna put it, see? It's heart glitter. I'm just gonna like touch that. Oh, you know what I can do? Also to soften it up. Oh! Okay, so, yeah, it's just, there's still liquidy stuff on here. So I'm gonna put it in here, in the lid. See if that softens it up. It's gonna make it sticky, but at least it's gonna soften the slime up. It's gonna throw a slime away. Oh my gosh. Wait, is there extra containers? Bruh, there's a bunch of extra containers. I'm just gonna put this back in. Put some glitter on the top. So here's this. I'm gonna call it the mermaid slime. Kind of reminds me of mermaids. I don't really like mermaids, but okay. So after I put this in, it's officially gonna be the end of the video because it's been a pretty long video. 39 minutes, almost half an hour. Wait, is 39 minutes half an hour? I don't really know, but some foam soap because it kind of got hard for my hands. And the other slime, and the mermaid slime. So I wonder what my sister's doing. She said she was hungry. She just woke up. I didn't eat either, but I'm hungry. But yeah. is there a fart thing down there? You know that thing that when you step on it, it makes that fart noise? So, okay, no. Okay, so I'm just gonna clean this off, and I'll officially end the video. So, yeah, clean this off. I'll do another video on my spy gadgets, and I'll do another video on doing the rest of my slimes. Yeah, I'm just gonna clean this off, but for now, I'm gonna say, oh, I need to show you the mess we created. I'm gonna clean all of this, while I say bye, y'all. Thank you guys, you Gucci gang, for being there and for being here on this day watching my YouTube videos, taking your time that. And I think I only have 2 subscribers, but I don't know if they want me to say their name, but yeah, it's my sister Ayana and then someone else, but I had to get permission from the other person to say the name. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. So I really want to build up for more subscribers. So if I want you guys to go spread the news about my YouTube channel, and I'll just say his name. Okay, so Joshua, it would mean the world, like, if you go tell your friends, but not like Damien friends, because they'll make fun of me, but like other people, like, yeah, not really any boys though, because most boys make fun of me, especially my brother. He makes fun of my YouTube channel. So yeah, bye guys.